Obviously, the decision of the International Criminal Court does more damage to the court than it does to Israel, but it does an enormous amount of damage to Israel. It means that Netanyahu can't go to Canada. He can't go to many countries in the world to make the case for Israel and to be able to present two-sided issues. There are now issues about sanctioning Israel. Remember, too, that the International Criminal Court prosecutor, I dealt with him about this. He was supposed to go to Israel to look at both sides of the issue. And then when he was accused of sexual harassment, he canceled that visit to Israel because he wanted to issue the arrest warrants very, very quickly. Look, what this reporter said would mean that the United States presidents would be arrested as well, because everything she said Israel has done in terms of responding to the kind of October 7th attack the United States did after 9/11. She would argue that after 9/11, the United States had no right to go after the Taliban, no right to go into Afghanistan, no right to go into Iraq. So the implications of what she says for the United States are very grave, which is why President Biden and why virtually all Americans agree that the International Criminal Court should not be allowed to do these kinds of arrest warrants. I've now put together a group of American lawyers headed by two former attorneys general, solicitor general, major academics who will stand shoulder to shoulder with Israel against this unlawful attack on Israel. Remember, too, that the International Criminal Court has as part of its jurisdictional mandate complementarity, which means that if you go after people from a country that has a legitimate legal system,